This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch release and open the bonnet. Release the support prop and engage it with the hole in the bonnet underside. Reach behind the headlight and rotate the plastic cover anti-clockwise to remove it. Gently pull the wiring plug from the bulb terminals. Push the clip to one side to release it from the catch and fold it down. Withdraw the bulb from the reflector. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, insert the bulb into the reflector, ensuring the tabs on the bulb flange locate correctly with the slots in the reflector socket. Fold up the retaining clip and engage it with the catch. Firmly press the wiring plug onto the bulb contacts. Refit the cover to the rear of the headlight, then rotate it clockwise to secure it. Stow the safety prop, firmly close the bonnet, and ensure it's secure.